The surprising history of corned beef and cabbage on St. Patrick's Day. Hey there, food history buffs. Welcome back to Knowledge Void, where we dive into the rich, delicious history behind the foods we love. Today, we're tackling a dish that's practically synonymous with St. Patrick's Day in America, corned beef and cabbage. But wait, is it actually Irish? Stick around to find out. First things first, St. Patrick's Day. This holiday honors St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, who is credited with bringing Christianity to the Emerald Isle. Over the centuries, it evolved from a religious feast day into a global celebration of Irish culture. But here's a fun twist: corned beef and cabbage? Not really Irish. Traditional Irish cuisine featured pork, particularly bacon, not beef. So how did this dish become the star of St. Patrick's Day in America? It all goes back to Irish immigrants in the 19th century. When they arrived in cities like New York and Boston, they found that pork was expensive. Instead, they turned to their Jewish neighbors, who introduced them to corned beef, a salt-cured, flavorful, and affordable alternative. Paired with cabbage, one of the cheapest vegetables around, the dish became a staple in Irish-American households. St. Patrick's Day itself has deep religious and cultural roots. It was originally a solemn feast day observed by the Catholic Church, marked by church services and reflection. In Ireland, until the 20th century, pubs were even closed on March 17th. But in America, the holiday took on a new life: parades, parties, and of course, plenty of food and drink. Corned beef and cabbage, while not traditional in Ireland, became a symbol of Irish pride and resilience in the U.S. It represents the immigrant experience, adapting, innovating, and holding on to heritage in a new land. Today, St. Patrick's Day is one of the biggest cultural celebrations worldwide. From Chicago dyeing its river green to massive parades in Dublin and New York, the holiday is all about Irish pride and having a great time. And corned beef and cabbage? Still a star of the show. Restaurants, home cooks, and food lovers everywhere whip up this dish every March 17th. It's comforting, delicious, and steeped in history, literally. Alright, let's get cooking. Here's how you can make your own traditional corned beef and cabbage at home. Ingredients: 3 to 4 pounds corned beef brisket with spice packet, 10 cups water, 3 cloves garlic, smashed, 1 onion, quartered, 3 carrots chopped, 3 potatoes halved, 1 small head of cabbage, cut into wedges, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns. Instructions: place the corned beef in a large pot and cover it with water. Add garlic, onion, bay leaves, and peppercorns. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cover and cook for about 2.5 to 3 hours until fork tender. Add carrots and potatoes. Cook for another 20 minutes. Add cabbage wedges and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until tender but not mushy. Remove corned beef, let it rest for 10 minutes, then slice against the grain. Serve everything together. Ladle some broth over the top, and enjoy with mustard or horseradish. So, what did we learn today? St. Patrick's Day started as a religious holiday and grew into a worldwide celebration. Corned beef and cabbage? Not originally Irish, but a proud Irish-American tradition that continues to bring people together. And now, you've got the recipe to make it yourself. Did you learn something new today? Then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Knowledge Void, and share this video with your fellow food lovers. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite St. Patrick's Day tradition? And if you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. Until next time, keep exploring the flavors of history.